The world is crying, but not just from war or hunger. It cries quietly, at night, in rooms where people sit in silence, scrolling through chaos, and wondering if love still lives here. I used to believe that music could heal anything, and maybe it still can, but only if we're willing to listen, not just to the melody, but to each other. The world is not broken because of hate. It's broken because of silence. I see people every day hurting in ways no one notices. A mother smiling with tired eyes, a boy pretending he's strong, a man hiding his heart behind a screen. We are more connected than ever, but we've never felt so far apart. We lost each other, not because we disappeared, but because we stopped looking. They told us to grow up, to stop dreaming, to stop singing, to stop hoping. But I ask you, what's left if we stop feeling? We've built towers, sent satellites to the sky, but forgot how to touch a soul right next to us. I've seen fame, I've seen applause, but I've also seen the dark room after the lights go off. And I know this, no amount of success replaces the human heart. When I was young, I thought the world was magic. But as I grew up, I saw something else. A world too busy to listen, too angry to love, too scared to feel. I used to stand in front of millions and still feel alone. Not because of the people, but because I knew we were all carrying something heavy we didn't know how to share. Sometimes the loudest screams are silent, and the deepest pain hides behind the biggest smiles. Now look at us. The world is faster, louder, but hearts are slower, and silence between us feels colder. We fight online, but forget to call our mothers. We judge strangers, but ignore the pain in our friends' eyes. We've become experts in everything except love. We talk about war, but we forget that a child sleeps tonight, not under a roof, but under fear. We speak of progress, but some can't afford bread, let alone peace of mind. This world isn't suffering from a lack of power. It's suffering from a lack of presence. And maybe that's why I'm speaking now, not because I have answers, but because I know what it feels like to search for light in a world that's closing its eyes. You see, the greatest crisis isn't just in politics or poverty. It's in the way we've stopped feeling for each other. But it's not too late. Even now, especially now, we can still choose to heal. You don't need millions to change the world. You don't need a stage. You don't even need words. You just need a moment to care, to see, to act. The world won't heal all at once, but it can begin with one person, and maybe that person is you. So hold someone tighter. Say what you've been too afraid to say. Forgive the thing that's been growing heavy in your chest. Give more than money. Give your time, give your ears, give your heart, because love isn't noise, it's presence. It's not grand speeches, it's quiet hands reaching out. When the world goes dark, we don't need perfection, we need each other. The world is sick, but it's not dead, and every act of kindness is a heartbeat bringing it back to life. I still believe in music. I still believe in people, and I still believe that the world can be healed, not by leaders, not by headlines, but by us right here, right now. So if you're listening to this, don't wait for someone else. Be the first to love, be the first to forgive, be the first to feel, and when you do, the world will follow. Heal the world, not later, but now. Not perfect, but real.